Hi friends, good morning to all of you. Welcome to online class. Yes student, today class one more new lesson of the unit 5, that is sub lesson shelter. Student, just you have to think that what it meaning shelter. Do you know this one? Did you know? Don't know. Okay, I am telling now. Shelter means very simple student. Basically shelter means we called house or home. Okay, we are man, we are living in the house, okay, or home, but some animals are there, they are living in the shelter. So that's why this class we shall discussing about shelter. Okay, so here student, that the small story is there about the shelter, how the shelters form, what is the importance of shelter, why they are animals, they are living in the shelter. These are there, all the reasons are here there. When you are free you have to read this one. Very simple is that. Okay, very simple. Okay, there one conservation is there here, father and son. So sorry, father and grandfather. Okay, so you have to study more and you have to read here. Okay, here he's a grandpa and he's a what, grandson. Okay, this is conservation between the grandpa and grandson is there. Okay, so very simple. Which one? This is about related to the shelter. Okay, next year and one more important student, every house is a home. Every house is a home, and whether it may be small or big one, that is not any critical condition. It may be hut or a bungalow, it is our shelter. And some peoples are there hesitated, my house is very small, my hut is hut or house is very small. That is, don't hesitate, whatever how it may be small or big one, you have to love that one, because you are living in that one. That's when we have to love your shelter. This is my suggestion to you student. Okay, and one more here, I already given here answer. One simple important list is there student. Here read just you, all living things need shelter. Yes, is it possible? Is there any living things does not need shelter? No. Even ant is also need shelter. What you call ant shelter? Anthills. Do you know? In the first semester I said to you. So ant shelter we called anthills. That's the reason all living things need shelter. Even animals bullied also or find their shelter. So here the question is that they are asking here, list 3 reasons why their animals bullied their shelter. Because here answer is the student, you have to write in your textbook also after this class. First one, protect them from the other animals and birds. That's why the animals bullied their shelter. And second one, protect their babies from the like big birds, animals and snake. And third one, protect them from the changing weather. These are all 3 reasons their animals bullied or find their shelter. This is very important for the upcoming exam. And look here student, look at these pictures. There are different houses are there. Okay, each house has a brief description is there. What do you call this one? Just look there student, huts. Okay, this one mud house is there. So these huts are bullied with water. What do you called? Mud and thatched roofs also. These huts house are built with mud and covering and have thatched roof. Thatched means this, like student. This type of roof. Okay, so that's one. This is huts is made of bullet with the mud and covering and have thatched roof. And this mud house is also building using bricks, stones and mud. Roofs are made up of tiles. Here tiles is there. Okay, this is the difference between the huts and mud house. Just you read. And one more here, cement concrete house is there. Just to look here, this one cement concrete house. This one I will explain the next class, whole detail explanation how they are made up. Single stored house, bungalow house, an apartment, and houseboats and plots and waters. These are how they are made, how they are living the people in this type of houses. That class I will tell you next class. Okay, have a nice day. Bye.